Welcome to BTOES 2019, and an event that represents the shifting landscape of operational excellence and end-to-end business transformation. A landscape incorporating the numerous transformation drivers, such as a focus on customer delight,
We're here at the Business Transformation Operational Excellence World Summit in Orlando. This is the largest premier gathering of senior leaders and executives who are truly leading business transformation operational excellence for the best companies around the world.
I am extremely excited, but I'm also loving the environment. Any time you get like-minded people together, all doing the same thing, all carrying the same mantra, it's a wonderful thing.
Yeah, this is the first time I've attended BTOES, and I can't believe how much content there is. They have this app to show you where everything's happening, and there are just so many speakers and so much content. I'm just trying to figure out how to prioritize where to go next.
I downloaded the app this morning. I've been really impressed with it so far. It allows me to quickly understand what's going on, what I need to know, also see what the other participants are sharing in it. What they find interesting has been really helpful for me because it'll help me identify new things that I want to go do later today that I might not have known before.
Some of the problems are just so common between industries. So it's been a really exciting experience to meet people, to really share ideas. I hope to do that more.
The experience at BTOES has been really great. This is my first time coming out to the show. The venue has been really incredible. It's an excellent venue. I think the staff has been very accommodating, very helpful. Food has been delicious. Been a great show.
Well, I'm in operations at IBM, and we're doing lots of transformation, and we're always looking for opportunities to be better at transforming our organization from an operations standpoint, and really important to improve the experience of our clients and our business partners. So I thought I could learn from my peers.
So we all know that transformation starts with purpose. You must know the direction that you're going, you must know what drives you. And then summits like this one are all about bringing together people who have a common purpose around business transformation, operational excellence. This summit is very unique from their perspective, and I would recommend that those who can join us next year to experience what it looks like when you're truly pursuing your journey towards your purpose.